So in this video we shall be looking at how to automatically generate a table of figures. So we write how to automatically generate table of figures in MS Word. So this video is a follow-up video. Previously we looked at how to insert figure captions and figure titles automatically in MS Word. Then so we had inserted the figure titles. Make sure that if you did not check on that video, go and check on it. So you can see that we had inserted figure titles from figure 1, then we had figure number 2, it was this one, then figure number 3, it was this one, all the way up to the last figure, which was figure number 11. Then we want to see how do we generate the table of figures automatically. So that's what we are looking at, how to automatically generate table of figures in MS Word. So to automatically generate the table of figures in MS Word, we come here at references. Then here you will see this tab here, insert table of figures. Then you click on it. Then this table will pop up here. Then you can see that we have figure 1, we have the print preview named as figure 1 all the way like that. Then you have the figure numbers here, the figure page numbers. Then if you click here, you will see the different options of these dots. You can change the dots. If you rate them to be like that, you can see here it has changed. If you change again, you can see it is changing, but maybe we can stick with that one, it's more appealing. Then if you come here to the formats, you can see we have different formats. Like let's stick from the template. Then when you come to the caption label, caption here is figures. We are not doing equations, we are not doing tables, we are doing the table of figures. Then after being satisfied with that, let the options remain as it is, let the modification remains as it is. Then click OK. You click OK, and then the table of figures will be automatically generated. So we can see that that is the table of figures. So remember that this table of figures was automatically placed on where we had our cursor. So you can see we had figure 1, then the figure 1 is found on page 2 of the document, figure 2 is found on page 3 of the document, figure 3, which is increased level of respondent, is found on page 4 of the document, all the way up to figure 11, which is found on page 19 of the document. So maybe we may need to format this one so that it's maybe it's according to the right format, maybe APA. So we can change the font to Times New Roman, and then we can change the font size to 12 like that. So that is how we generate the table of figures. Then we can name it. We can say table. We can say table of figures like that. So that is a table of figures. That is how we automatically generate the table of figures.